how to monetize your TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different methods to go ahead and do this, so I'll be showing you all of them. All you want to do is go ahead and open up your TikTok application, and then on the bottom right, you're going to see your profile icon, so just go ahead and click on that. So I'll explain how it works, but if I go to my TikTok studio, there's a few different things you can do. So whenever you hit 10,000 followers on TikTok, you're going to be eligible for the Creator Rewards program, which basically means anytime you post over a minute videos, you're going to get a higher share of ad revenue, which is going to be very important and detrimental to earning a good amount of money on TikTok. If you post anything under a minute, you're not going to make much, but bear in mind, this is after you hit 10,000 followers. So you need to have 10,000 followers first. And then what you can also do is go live. You can have subscriptions when you go live, any video gifts, anything like that. And so, like I said, there's live rewards. So, you can discover that as well. And another thing you can also do is TikTok Shop for Seller. So you can basically sell anything as well. You can sell your own products on TikTok Shop if you want to. There's a live incentive program, the gaming incentive program as well. They all have different perks as well. For example, like climbing leaderboards, posting certain videos on anything as well. And if I go over here, I can start getting paid from TikTok Shop by not selling myself or like selling things directly, like, that I want to sell. But what I can do is I can choose things that other people are selling, promote them, and if anytime anyone clicks my link to buy something, I basically get revenue for that, like a little percentage. And yeah, so like I said, there's a lot of different methods to go ahead and earn from TikTok. It also just depends on your region as well, because there are certain methods that are only available in certain regions. So definitely go through your TikTok app, go through your TikTok studio thoroughly and see what's available for you.